Make sure the water faucets are turned on all the way. If water pressure is low or water is being used elsewhere in the house, the water can enter slowly as well. If the water inlet screens are clogged, the water will come in slower or not at all. The screens are located in the water valve on the back of the machine. To access the screens, turn off the water and remove the hoses. If the screens are clogged, clean any debris from the screens and reinstall the hoses. Turn on the water and check for leaks. Note, the screens must not be removed or discarded. They protect the valve from debris. If the screens are not in place, a flood condition can occur. If this does not solve the problem, a service call may need to be scheduled.